Hi everybody, this is Donnie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to you too. I'm excited to have you. I hope you like what I'm doing today. I'm going to be doing a Plan With Me video in my print Pression weeks. I'm using a kit from Fairly Organized Chaos. It's a digital kit. It is just gorgeous. The blues and green even in this one are phenomenal. The print job turned out so pretty. I was very excited about that. 4 washi tape, and of course I only use 1, but this time I only pulled out 4. Usually I have a huge handful to work with, but I managed to only have 4 this time. I have lots of holographic foiled items I'm going to be using with the kit. I thought it worked out perfectly for this week. This is the week of January 6th, and I'm ready to get started. I hope you are too. As I mentioned, I'm using a kit today by Fairly Organized Chaos. I usually pull some of these gorgeous clips, the bow clips from the Creative Bee to choose from. I also have a clip I made with just blues and silver. It worked out perfectly for this one. The kit I'll go through in a second. Let's finish with these little stickers here on the side. I've pulled out some of the Petticoat Bandit icons, some of the Simply Watercolor Co. digitals that I've recently made. I have this gorgeous outline set from Mother with Daughter Designs Co. MWD Designs. Isn't that gorgeous and hollow? I'm real excited about it. And of course, washi tape from Simply Gilded. Of course, the holographic and the white bows at the bottom is the one I ended up using. It has light, well, I should have edited that out, sorry. It has light blue bows on it, and it worked beautifully with this kit. The kit is a digital, as I mentioned before. Here's all the different pages that come with it. There may be some pages I did not print to use. Many kits come with extra pages, so if I did not get them all, I'm sorry. Look at those headers. I print multiple pages at times because I use these stickers in multiple planners. For example, I used it this week in the print Pression, and I also used what you see left over from this kit in my B6. So as I get started, the print Pression weeks, let me just talk about it for just a second because you'll see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. The print Pression weeks is a smaller version of a planner that is narrow, thinner maybe than a regular book might be, similar in style to the Hobonichi weeks, but its format is such that I can get a whole week on just these 2 pages. It has been the perfect size. Actually, I can't get any more perfect for what I use it for, which is just a journal to keep all of my medications, my health, things like that in. And let me stop and just say, look at those headers. Is that, I'm saying this wrong, I know I probably am, lapis lazuli or something like that, the stone that is so pretty blue. Those printed as if it was watercolored. It was gorgeous. Anyway, the bottom washi would have worked beautifully at the bottom of this. It fit perfect. There was, not a problem at all with it. But I peeled it up because, duh, I had pulled out my Simply Gilded. What I did do is I used all of those strips in my B6 planning. So it did get used. Even if I sliced it up, I used it, pieced it back together. But the print Pression has been kind of a lifesaver. I took it with me to my last doctor's appointment, which was on the 10th. And my doctor, he was bending over kind of looking at it as I was trying to tell him the days that I had palpitation. We're working on my palpitation problem, and he had given me some medication for that, and therefore we were very interested. He was quite interested in what I had written down in my little pretty book. Anyway, it was funny because I kept flipping a page back and forth, and it wasn't really as much him as it was the nurse, the assistant, who was like, "Ooh, wow," but she couldn't really say it, but her eyes said it. You know what I mean? So, anyway, it was kind of fun to be able to carry that with me. I also have the cover for it from the Pink Room Co. It's a pink cover, and it just is a real easy to carry, fits in my purse, set up to have with me. Okay, onward and upward. Here we go. Overlays. These are the hollow large confetti overlays. I did hollow on them. You can use any color foil that you want, but these are the overlays by Planning Choco, CHOCO. It's an easy to use kit. Frankly, you just print it out on clear sticker paper with your laser printer, foil it, and cut it. It's real easy. I love using digitals with my silhouette machine. If you're interested in looking into silhouette, I use a silhouette Cameo 3, and recently they came out with the Cameo 4. It's a more powerful machine, is my understanding. I don't have one. So that if you need to cut maybe thicker materials, that's probably what that's for. I'm putting down these half boxes by MWD Design Co. Again, it's a digital, and I foiled it in holographic foil. It's the perfect shaped outline, just enough thickness in the outline part to really give this a lot of sparkle, I guess, with the foiling on it. And she did it, the layout on it has 3 different size boxes, which is extremely handy to have. And then I'm pulling these boxes from the kit. These are a little bit shorter. I don't know that I would call them a half box, but they're close. And so I pulled those from the kit. Maybe they're third boxes. I think people are calling it third. As you see, there's more bottom washi that came with the kit. I'm looking for just the right piece that I can use. A thin piece is really what I wanted to go above that bottom box. And I found these. These are the design pieces that of the deco, what are they called? Maybe headers? I don't know. Deco pieces. Washi strips, I guess, is the better term for it. It's hard to tell sometimes. It just depends on how you want to use it. Anyway, I was looking for something thin because all I do is write my blood sugar numbers on that particular strip. And then I wanted to continue on in that center section that didn't have anything on it yet and find a little banner that would go there. So what I did is the kit came with little banners, the little flags. And as you can see, I already started placing a few of those down just to see what I was going to do and if they'd work. And they do. So I continued on, and I placed all the rest of the little flags after I got those little header deco pieces down. And I used the lightest ones of those so that I could actually write on them. I really enjoyed this kit a lot. The blues in it. We actually had snow that week, just a little bit. It melted pretty quick, but we actually had snow, so that worked out perfectly. I finished with the flags, and then I laid down the month sticker, the January sticker that I made, and I'm coming through, and I really like to put a little decoration. Y'all know me. I can't have too much foil. I put those little note stickers from Print Petticoat Bandits icon sheet, also foiled in holographic foil. I wish they had all now been solid colored flags because they really popped on that. And then here's the little pencil. I use those a lot. I'm putting in those little bottom third boxes, or at least trying to. And the sparkle in this kit was perfect. Hollow worked beautifully. Silver would work gorgeous in this. It's just, a pretty little kit. It was a lot of fun to use. And I did it also, I used the same one in my, like I said earlier, in my B6. And I don't film my B6 anymore. There was very little interest in it, and so I had quit filming in it because I was doing my Erin Condren and then the Pression weeks. So speaking of the Erin Condren, and I want to mention the Aura Estelle Cloud, which is an A5 ring planner, but A5 wide ring planner. It is the same size sheets in it you can use. Oh, look at that sparkle. As an Erin Condren. So I am seriously considering switching for the year 2020 once we get to the halfway mark, when I would need to purchase a new Erin Condren planner. Oh, those little bow stickers are from the kit, and they turned out really cute placed up in that upper left hand corner. Anyway, I want your thoughts on that. Some of you I know already, we've discussed it back and forth in the comments in previous videos, are going to be using the Aura Estelle Cloud this year. Let me know what you think. Are you watching my videos because you want me to do the Erin Condren, or would you be interested in my doing the Aura Estelle? Now, I don't know that I'd be able to do both. So anyway, let me know in the comments below what you think. And I'm not going to make a decision right away, but soon. I'm adding a Pigeon pin. This is so cute. Look at how this is going to sparkle. That pin has a little bit of purple in it too, but it worked well with the kit because it has the blue and the green, and I just liked it a lot. Look at the sparkle in that washi tape. I'm in love with it. I like this week's setup. I like the way it turned out a lot. I appreciate y'all joining me. I appreciate your comments and for letting me know what you think. Join me again soon. I'm hopefully going to be getting back into my Erin Condren. I've been a little lazy doing that. But hopefully soon that'll be the next video that comes up for playing with me. And I'm getting loads of washi in. If you're curious what I do with it, stay tuned. I'm going to redo my organization for my washi soon. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.